A lazy afternoon, with breeze blowing, the wind mixing in my hair. With no care, me, just one with nature. A blissful state, to be one with nature. Welcome to Poetry Reading Vlog today, and we are going to start this in a minute. It's my own composed poem, but before that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share it with your friends if you like this poem. And of course, if you have any comments to provide me, any feedback to give me, write them in the comment section below. But yes, please do subscribe to Padhiye with Prachi. My social media handles are present below. So now, let's get into it. Hi friends, welcome to Padhiye with Prachi. Welcome to a new vlog today. This is a poetry reading vlog. To be one with nature, to be one with environment. This is a poem written on a lazy afternoon. Thinking about, thoughts were streaming in my head. To be one with nature, to be one with environment. To be one with nature, to be one with nature. A lazy afternoon, with breeze blowing, the wind mixing in my hair and caressing my face. With no care, me, just one with nature. No thoughts, no rumination. A blissful state of being one with nature, of lazy strolls, of coffee aroma, of cakes, of sweetness, of richness. Oh, to be one with nature. Feeling beautiful with a gentle sunshine on my face, of being aligned to my truest form, which is one with nature, which is one with God. Of conversation that are deep, of metaphysical and such, of chatter which is nonsensical, but childlike as such, of me enjoying the moment with no need to capture it, but capturing am I. Through this poetic wonder. For yes, poem is to express this feeling, to be one with nature and being. So I wrote this poem very recently on 29th of August 2024, and it's just in my notebook here, and I thought to present this to you guys. It's about to be one with nature, to express oneself of the thoughts, of the realizations, the feelings through poem, because sometimes that expresses it the best. So let me know in the comment section below, how did you like my poem? How did you like what I said here? Did you like it? It was a very recent creation. And if you like such content, give me a like, share, comment on my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're new, trying to create meaningful content, trying to see what works, what is it that you want, and your share, your like, your comment, and your subscription means a lot to me. And if you like it, then please do that. Till then, Sikhi with Prachi, Jani with Prachi, Padhiye with Prachi, and as always, live, learn, and explore.